miss it. Give us
Bro,
Spani, like you Spani got says miss it now. Spabo is guaranteed.
Johnny, I want to say that you're really blessed to have people like that in your life. You know, when you was telling or Obia stories, like I feel like everyone found a little bit of themselves in it. And amen, I'm truly inspired. And I want to say that we've all been in that situation, but not a lot of us have been honest about it.
Yeah.
I can tell you that for me this year, I cried. Ke paletswe ko reka airtime, just like you said. Ke paletswe ke la bona when home ba expect ba lebeletse wena go and you find yourself in a situation that my worst fear is ever having to ask my mom for money. Yeah, I'm finding myself in that situation yet again. But you learn. And it was so much easier back then when we had Justin. But Elena decided to look at her high. I thought you were high.
Paulson that to refresh you. Paulson.
That's very fresh. I decided to look at her high. Now I will tell you, there was a time where I remember I went to church, Karobala, for like 3 nights, again. Because I didn't want to be disturbed. I asked my pastor, I was like, can I come sleep at the church for 3 days? I just want to pray and trade. And I was literally chilling at the altar, trading my last monies. Monna ka di blow go kerekeng monna. Ka blow chote o kerekeng karai. Blow kerekeng. Ay, I will scoring up my back like that. And that time on the gram, this person that people are expecting you to be or who you have made yourself out to be. But I found okay. Kikre the tse I'm like blow okay. Give for this other guy. This other guy give me for this was last year. Give for this other guy. We learned to trade together back. We made an institution of we learned to trade. After some I'm pay 5,000. Get can Johnny. Ka blow kereke.
O bloile 5,000 ya batho.
Bloile 5,000 ya batho go kereke.
Wena o tlo betla ke batho wena.
Half it. Sounds like a motor store. I get motor store.
Hanzo motor vida ese.
I get motor.
It was a pandemic.
Hey man, it was a pandemic. Yes. Bopelo. Ke hustle. I say bro ke really bjang chiltil. Ke tlhakantse mo 2,000. Ke reng? 2,000 ke bona 4,000. Ke bona 4,000 ke 11,000 ke yes.
Yeah. One year wena.
Ke tsena happy. Ke withdraw 1,000 fela. Ke re ke tsena ka 10. Ke Joe. Okay. Sharp. Ever trade mpatele for IB. Mpatele my 18,000.
Umagitsi lwe.
Mara flop again. Mpatela ko trading account. Aye ko ntwele. Tshwantse ke mmereko wa gore ke withdraw. Ase style se trader 18,000. I think how I bitsang ho blow 800 GBP. I say 18,000. Like my 20K. 800 GBP.
Boom.
Into
Blow.
Ka nako batho ka re tu
It's a pandemic.
Ka re it is a pandemic. Ka founela moruto because there I was crying. I was literally in my room. Ke le bona le bookile go diplekeng tsa monate jo. Le bookile go Khailami, you know, it's a vibe. I call my pastor. I'm like, no, ebile ke ena mfounelang. I want to check because we had a very close relationship because of things that I went through last year. So every now and then we check on each other. So I'll check. Umfonela ka 10 yena nomsadi wa hae. How are you doing? I'm good. How are you? Ke re nna ke sharp. Hey, so. I don't worry. When I just keep your faith, you make it back in 100 folds. Fast forward, that's March February, March this year. June ka bona tšhelete nngwe mo phelong mara ise ke bone.
What's it, Belway?
Ke le bona ba re 500 e kgone go irela 1.5 but e kgone go irela 15,000.
Yeah.
Ke lokele 1,000 e nkirele 10,000. Ke lokele 1.5 e nkirele 16,000. But like in my life, like earlier, I never, like till today actually, I can tell you, who find that 5,000, I've never. Until I've never 5K straight from my bank account unless I've need to go dashboard. Well,
yeah.
Mix out and make some more, mix out and make some more, mix out and make some. What the drop ya corona ka March. Kaira history enwe azang ka ibona. Na azang ya against me. Kaira ntho tse mpotsang yona. Ke re tsena go tla ka di 1.5. Re tsena ka di 1.5. Ya target ko ma 15,000. Jone ke hold that I didn't but what's all late. Ba mpotsa o tswaletse. Ke re nke tswaletse. Ka hold. Hey, retest ya time. Mona the next day drop ela ke ntshwere ka balance ya 1.3 ke lo 60,000 floating. It was on ne ke postile on my previous hacked account. There are 60K. What la market
block.
60 block. What la market open. Yeah, go fat ka tswalla ka 30 something thousand. Ba ne le botlhoko mara ke tšhelete ile nkhale ke sa e bona.
Yeah.
Ka tswa ka yona. Ka ipotsa ke fitlhile. Ba itse max out and make some more. Max out. We were ditlapong, we were di kai. Rekiwa eng, ke ja eng, ke re bona like anything. You know, living my best life. And ke la bona Instagram man, Nasqueen. Ke le Nasqueen wa bantwana. Nasqueen.
Mama
Nasqueen were the boys. You know?
Mama Nas.
Bruh, I don't know how I got there. I just found myself back in a situation where I'm literally asking my boyfriend for airtime, asking my boyfriend for this, asking my boyfriend for that. I'm like, God, I'm back here again.
How?
For me personally, I understood the whole concept of after the whole, besides my own, I can't truly blame the broker, but not my account was literally targeted because I could chill with people and mine would be frozen and theirs were chilled. I could get trades closed, and everyone would be set. And that was because of the 1.3 to 60K thing. After that, like my trading with JP Market was never the same again. Change brokers went full on to ever trade. I can tell you this, what happened with me or happened to me when I was with JP Market affected my trading generally. Like I couldn't even see. Only blank.
Yeah.
I couldn't see to an extent whereby I had to go take my own chats with my clients.
Fun.
People that I've taught how to trade are begging, boy. they're begging. Marana. Ke nna o ke fetse fonela butaka ke lla ke motsore. A bereke and something has to work out, but this God doesn't have my back.
It's a pandemic.
It is a pandemic. I tell you, this year alone, I've been broke on my lowest lows twice, and I've been on my highest highs thrice.
Yeah.
And I tell you, there's no way I'm going back to my lowest lows, because why? I've learned to appreciate the 500 rand. The minute I told myself that I want to start furnishing the house, okay, I've made 2,000 rand. 2,000 glass table A. Okay, correct. Clear 2,000 e. Brah, we reka pela botlhoko because you wanna 2,000 ke tšhelete o e fundang. No 2,000 ke profit. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Sad, bro. But let me tell you something. Like, once it goes back to what we were talking about earlier on, what I was saying, God will only trust you with bigger things if you learn how to appreciate the smaller things. Bruh, like literally about 3 months ago, I'm telling you about Buma just before June. I would literally tell my mom, I ain't got shit. But right now, like if she hit me up and she's like, yo, didn't hang,
So what about
1, 2, 3.
So I need you to
I can gladly hit her up.
I need you to tell me like the experience of getting your car.
Okay. So for me, okay, you can close. Actually close. For me, as much as I've been on my lowest lows, ne? My only difference with you, ne?
Yeah.
My lowest lows, I didn't have loans or anything of that sort. I'd always tell her, okay, but it's not mine. It's not mine, and I'm not even going to treat it like it's there. That's the only way I survive. I would cry tears and be on my lowest low, and like discipline too. For me, that's like discipline on 100. Like, yes, with my own trading, it was discipline, but legit discipline on 100. Like right now, I could have right now, probably after video, I'm gonna send money onto my FNB. Ne? My Capitec account is the account that I live by. Over. So I'm gonna shift money to FNB because I trade with FNB. I trade binary with FNB, and even like my brokers are with my Capitec. Sorry, yeah, I trade with my Capitec. Then I shift to my FNB card. I do not use it. In fact, I just got the app literally like last month. I didn't have it all the time because I told myself that's on FNB is not mine. So I'd go through the most as fuck, but knowing the plan is to one day it habis. I got to a point where I felt like, okay, I was ready. I was ready to go and carry one kind. It was because of the grace, bruh. The grace was too much, bruh. When I came back, bruh, I maxed out. Like, you know how you explained how you were trying to get to Montana with 100 racks that you didn't have, but that place with 40 racks. That's exactly what happened to me. Literally making 10K to 1K dollars per day.
It's a lot.
Yeah, literally 10 to 20K per day, and I'm the same girl that wasn't making what.
Hey, done. Hey, Mara, you're cool,
If I not been on my low, this whole year, right? But I've been on the highest of highs in weeks. I can be in the lowest of lows for 2 months, but 1 week can literally change my life.
So that